in this video, I will give you a quick guide on how you can change your RevTag on Revolut. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. Before starting, make sure that you have the correct plan or version that supports this feature so you will have full access to everything you need. So once you have your website ready here or your app, you will go ahead and log into your account with your credentials, of course. And then once you're logged in, you will tap profile icon and then you will select settings and then go ahead and look for RevTag and click that. Tap edit RevTag and then enter desired tag, which is the username, and then tap save. And if available, the tag updates immediately. Then you will, and then if tag is unavailable, you will choose another variant and then just repeat the steps that I've just mentioned. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.